Welcome back, everybody. A real brief one here. I'm wondering if any of you have tried the Trend mirror paste. And it has to go on a clean strop. I'm very anxious to try it. Sad part is I can't even use the table saw right now due to this. And I'm reaching out to any of you who have it, have used it. Do you like it? Do you have some suggestions as to how either to use it to give us a guide or the pros and cons, and so on and so on and so on? Now, I'm going to reach out to my contact at Trend Diamond and ask them if it is best applied to the smooth side of the leather, which I am thinking that's going to be the right answer, or the rough side of the leather. So there's that. And I so look forward to getting beyond this incident because it has really, I really did a good one. It really messed up a lot of things. I just, if you ever really want, now, see, I've never thought of this, but I've never really thought what it would be like to only work one-handed, live one-handed, do everything we do, but do it one-handed. Or legs, feet. Well, I know about eyes because I'm blind in one eye. Well, not blind, but legally blind. I can see, like I can see everything around me. It's just I can't focus on anything. So I never thought about persons with disabilities as to how do they psychologically go through life, because this is now I remember when I hurt this finger, which only two people in all the years that I've been on YouTube, only two people have actually asked me about it. Maybe I'll make another video and tell that story. But that was just one finger and only the front of the finger. And so it did limit me a little bit for a few weeks, but it didn't. I mean, I went to work. It didn't set me far back. So, but this messing up these two fingers, I still can do some grabbing of things, okay, with my pinky and ring finger and thumb, but very simple things like putting on clothes, even a hat, or trying to put a belt on, especially because belts are right-handed, typically. I suppose I could put it on left-handed. Shouldn't matter much. But I digress. So getting back to the original topic, Trend mirror paste. Do you have it? Do you use it? Do you like it? Give us some tips, tricks, and techniques in the comments section. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and share the video. Walter out.